伫英国嘅南约克夏郡一个古厝底做整修工程的时，伊是意外发现一批18世纪对中国来的地树，也若经过积极的复育了后，即马地树阁生出正水的花。
1725年起的温特沃斯庄园是英格兰地区上大的乔治王朝时期的建筑物之一，敢若订就50英亩宽。国家信托甲温特沃斯信托基金会合作，用500万英镑，差不多代表2亿，修理破损严重的花房。却意外发现，种伫咧即内底的山地花树是18世纪上早自中国引入的树种。
They were some of the first to come into this country from China, so they were really, something that only the really wealthy could afford to have. One single plant was the value was equivalent of a maid's wage for a whole year.
经过伦敦国际山地花学社的分析加鉴定，确定这批古山地花树的身份。这个花房怎么装修正济地馆？好参观庄园的游客会当坐来小休一个，啉一杯茶，顺便欣赏气质简单、高雅名贵的花木。因若这栋2级高级的建筑物正伫咧进行2亿英镑的整修工程，完工后会当重新展现伊过去的风华。另外，伫大不列颠岛西南边的威尔斯，食物专家正努力想要甲顶一个世纪60年代，互人类甲动物过度消耗到强要绝种的原生种的食物高指数，伫这片土地顶头各界静待。
When people think of endangered species, you think of rhinos and orangutans and things like that, but actually 40% of the world's plant species are threatened with extinction to some degree or another. And I think that would surprise people, and also it would surprise them that there are actually plant species right on their own doorstep in North Wales, which are critically endangered.
专家经过几60年的努力，真无简单，才甲准的6丛高指数培育出110丛，经一个较偏僻的所在种这款树栽。培育团队希望，等几60年了后，这款树栽会当大丛个探生。公司新闻王慧文编辑。